certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And today we're going to do an unboxing of my June package from the Grove Collaborative. Now, the Grove Collaborative is a subscription box service. I mentioned them, or I introduced them to my channel about 2 years ago. So this video is just going to be a follow-up of how I'm enjoying the Grove Collaborative, and then also some of the things I'm really liking about this program. So one thing that's the best about the Grove Collaborative is that it gives you clean and green items. So I am definitely for that. You know, we have to save our planet for our children and our grandchildren. So I do love that the items are very clean and pure. So these are some of the items that I get each month that I use and that I love. Now this is the multi-surface cleanser. I use this for everything. I clean everything with this. I have my white leather chairs. I use this like when the kids get off, from eating. I spray it down with this. I spray this for countertops, cabinets, everything. So this is a staple in my home. This I actually I've only used this once. This is the daily wood cleaner. So this is something that I've been meaning to purchase more of. So I'm going to start utilizing this with my cleaning routine. And it's a daily wood cleaner, so it's going to be very safe for the wood. And then it's not going to strip it of its natural colors and things like that. Now this is the daily granite cleaner. Now normally I use this on the countertops, but now since I have new granite countertops, this is particularly or made specifically for granite. So I will be using this on the daily. This is the dish soap. So I love the Grove Collaborative dish soap. It's very clean. It gets everything nice and clean. And what is this? Okay, so one of the things with the Grove Collaborative is they actually send you free gifts. And a lot of times you can pick what you want. So this was one of the things that I picked. This is a glass bottle. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to put in here. Maybe some of my own concoctions, my own cleaning concoctions or whatever. But this is a glass bottle that I will be using. And it's nice and it's pretty, and I could definitely utilize this. Another item I purchased were the Microfiber cleansing cloth. Now, you know me, I love microfiber cleansing cloths. So I am going to link a YouTube video, and then also in the description box, I'll put a link to a blog post where I show you different things you can utilize micro cleaning cloths for. So that is it. So for this, all of these things, I think I spent about $12 or $14. One of the great things about the Grove Collaborative is they have free shipping, just like Amazon Prime. They do have the free shipping. And then also you can refer people to the program. So I'm going to leave my affiliate link, or actually it's not an affiliate link, it's a coupon code below. If you log in using my coupon code or using the link that I leave you, they will send you a free set. I think it's like maybe a $40 value or something for free with your first order. And then I'll get $10 off of my next order. So, and once you get signed on, you can do it as well. It's nothing that I really just push. But since I'm telling you about the program, I'm telling you about the products, I'm letting you know that is something that you can do. So overall, I'm very happy with the Grove Collaborative. I've been with them now for 2 years, and I have been very satisfied with everything. So if you have any questions or comments or concerns, or you just want to share your experiences with the Grove Collaborative, please leave them in the comment section below. And please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber to my channel. So thank you very much.